This client wanted to breathe new life in her old diamond by purchasing a brand new ring. We had a ring in stock, very fashion forward, but it didn't quite fit perfectly, so we had to remove a half size out of it. This involves removing just a very small piece of metal, filing it flush, rounding the ring out, and then flowing some solder along the seam. This guarantees the ring is one solid piece. Sand helps protect the rest of the ring from the heat. Gotta round it out to make sure it's actually the right size. Once we ensure it's the right size, we file the inside to make sure it fits nice and comfortable. Once that process is done, we set the diamond. Each prong gets individually set to ensure the diamond fits perfectly, as every diamond is a little bit different. Then we have to polish the prongs from the manufacturing, give it a final buff. This ensures a high polish finish. Ultrasonic removes any sort of polishing compound or oils that may be on this ring. And a rhodium finish for all white gold is necessary to ensure its white finish stays preserved. And there we go. Gave new life to her old diamond.